Here's something I ran across a couple of articles about GRC platforms, the market growing by 44 billion from 2025 to 2029 and driven by regulatory compliance needs. And this was coming from a report from Technavio. And some of the driving factors, let me see, some of the market drivers they said was the technologies getting AI, machine learning. There's already tools out there that are cloud based. They mentioned a couple things, Azure Purview and different kinds of risk management tools from Oracle, from EC Council, and some other organizations out there that are trying to make it so that they're trying to allow industries such as the healthcare industry, IT telecoms, financial sector, government to meet things like Sarbanes-Oxley, GDPR, COBIT, HIPAA, risk management framework, all those kinds of things. Make it faster, make it more efficient and things like that. So they estimate Technavio estimates that it's going to grow by like a 40 billion dollars because there's the need is not going away for this kind of stuff, which is for us in this industry, it's a good thing because we need want to remain gainfully employed, but it also means that as technologies are integrated into what we're trying to do, we need to get smarter on things like cloud, things like the different platforms that they have coming out, and the tools that are being integrated into these platforms that already exist, like things like Archer and probably EMAS or whatever is going to replace EMAS, are going to continue to expand, and they're still very useful. Let me see what other things are coming up.